The 511 short sleeve Tac-Lite Pro shirt in Realtree Extra is perfectly suited for hunting expeditions in hot or humid environments. This shirt is made from a rugged poly-cotton blend and provides superior rip resistance and warm weather performance while maintaining a low visibility profile. This shirt is designed with moisture wicking fabric, and the integrated mesh vents provide maximum airflow. We've incorporated a hidden button-down collar for a neat and clean appearance. The melamine buttons won't burn, crack, or melt. This shirt features our patented 511 hidden document pockets at the chest, dual blousing chest pockets, and integrated secure pen storage. The Teflon treatment ensures excellent stain, moisture, and soil control. Hook and loop closures have been included on all chest and document pockets. This is the 511 short sleeve Tac-Lite Pro shirt in Realtree Extra.